Hello, friends, and welcome to Auntie Mel's Reading Club. It's been a while, but we are back. Today's story is Danny and the Dinosaur, The Big Sneeze. Achoo! By Sid Hoff. Let's get comfortable and read. It was a rainy day, but a fun day. Danny and the dinosaur got drenched. See you tomorrow, they said to each other. But the next day, Danny woke up with a sore throat and sniffles. And the dinosaur had a little cough.
"You're staying in bed, buddy,"
said Danny's father. And I'm taking care of you, said his mother. But I'm not sick, Mom, said Danny. Better safe than sorry, she said. At the museum, the director told the dinosaur, "You need to take a day off." But I'm not sick, said the dinosaur. Get some rest, said the director. Danny's mother covered him in lots of blanket to keep him warm and cozy. The museum director did the best to make the dinosaur comfortable. Danny's mother bought him some chicken soup for his sore throat. The director bought the dinosaur some water for his cough. The day seems longer than forever. There was nothing to do but lie in the bed. Danny and the dinosaur felt bored. Danny phoned the dinosaur.
"Sorry I can't play today. I am sick in bed." "Me too," said the dinosaur. "Being sick is no fun. Feel better soon."
Danny's mother brought out the whole jigsaw puzzle. The director let the dinosaur play with a jigsaw puzzle too. Danny's mother played cards with him to pass the time. At the museum, the dinosaur tried playing rock, paper, scissors, but the cavemen were no fun. Danny sneezed. Achoo! 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 His mother bought him tissues. But when the dinosaur sneezed, achoo! Everybody ran and hid. At the end of the day, Danny and the dinosaur each curled up in their own beds with a good book and plenty of rest. The next morning, Danny and the dinosaur woke up feeling much better. They were well enough to go outside. "How was your sick day?" Danny asked. "Not bad," said the dinosaur. "Nothing beats feeling better," said the dinosaur, "except maybe spending time with your best buddy," said Danny. The end. I hope you like that story. See you next time. Bye. And don't forget, reading is fun, so continue to read. Bye.